Yeah, I'm just here at the sports center. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. Yeah, I did breakfast. We are not busy. Today we did just 60 packs. Time now is already 4:27. The swimming pool, yeah, already closed. They just closed 4 o'clock. Very early to close. And yeah, my original plan was to go swimming, but I was lazy. And now my plan is to go, yeah, run. There's a mother and child learning to ride the bike, and there's kind of a group over there. They are, yeah, kids and parents playing also. Yeah, nice. There are more people on that side, far side. Actually, this morning I set my alarm at 3 o'clock. Yeah, and yeah, I wake up at 3 o'clock, and then I go to the gym, work out a little bit, and then shower and go to work. Yeah, that's what I did. But I sleep early last night, around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. 10, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So, yeah, 6 hours of sleep. Yeah, my regular sleep is 5, 6 hours. If I have 8 hours sleep, the 2 hours of that is yeah, not good. Yeah, I feel I experience sleep paralysis when I'm sleeping over 6 hours. Yeah, and a lot of dreams that I'm awake, something like that. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, this is where I sleep last night. Yeah, comfortable, feeling safe, very safe here. Yeah, this is here at the gym, here in Mayfield. This is the place I am telling you that looks like those places in Dubai. Yeah, the newly places developed industrial areas in Dubai. Basically, last night, yeah, I went to the gym because I need to take a shower. Of course, I work out a little bit and then took a shower. And yeah, I decided not to go home but just stay here. I am not day off today. Yeah, I'm actually going to work later, but I need to go to the repair shop. Today's the book is scheduled to repair, or maybe they will change this yeah, sliding door. And I need to organize all these things. It's messy in here because I need to remove all the things before bringing it to the repairer. So I'm going to my apartment and put some of the things to my apartment, just like this battery. It is actually already 7:30. My appointment is at 10 o'clock. And yeah, we are now here at Nobu Castrian Ismas Repair. Yeah, I leave it there. And I was not expecting that I'm going to leave the vehicle there for, yeah, the guy said for 5 days. Yeah, 5 working days, he said. I thought I'll be able to get it in the afternoon and then I go to work. That's not good. 5 days? Yeah, how I'm going to... No good. And now I'm walking and I'm going to Kotara Westfield Shopping Center. Yeah, this is near to Westfield Shopping Center. And I think I also lost the microphone. Yeah, the microphone of this camera. I actually went back already there, checked around along the way, but yeah, I did not see it. I hope it is inside the van, but the van is already parked where where they are going to keep it. Oh, very nice, very cute. There is a child care. this one. Yeah, they are very young kids, little kids, and they are in group. They are kind of chatting. They look serious chatting. And of course some kids, they are playing. Some are on their own, you know, different personality already. Very nice. So yeah, that's already the shopping center area. This is the home center, and the Westfield is just over that side. I am thinking of renting a car. Yeah, it is going to cost me more, but yeah, renting a car for me is I like it. I mean, it is going to be an experience, a different experience. The only disadvantage, of course, it is going to cost me money. So I don't have final decision made yet. But yeah, renting a car is the option that I have in mind. I am there tomorrow, the day after, and then work. It already comes in my mind that there is a possibility of this thing to happen, that, you know, that I don't have a vehicle, that I need to work. Yeah, that's one of the possibility that I thought before. But you know, it happens. I'm going to have a breakfast first, sit, relax, and figure things out, how I'm going to work it out in the coming 5 days, in the coming weeks, that I don't have a vehicle. Oh, there's a tiny bird. For my convenience, yeah, renting a car, renting a vehicle is the best option. Staying in the hostel or hotel in Nelson Bay, I think that's more expensive than renting a car. There is a cheap accommodation in Anna Bay. If you remember, when I was new in Nelson Bay, I stay in, how is this close? There is backpacker accommodation in in Anna Bay, near to Nelson Bay. If you remember, I stayed there before when I first arrived in Nelson Bay. Before when I was looking for an apartment, yeah, I stayed for 1 week in backpacker hostel. Yeah, it's about $30-40 a night. But yeah, it's far from my workplace. I actually walk before to go to work when I was staying there. The time now is still early, 9 o'clock, 9:21. Okay, we are now here in McDonald's, and I am there on the television. Yeah, and we are now riding the bus. Yeah, this is nice. I cannot hear the noise outside. I hear just the music and the vibration of the bus. Okay, I just get down from the bus, and I am now here in the in the car rental. I'm going to select the vehicle. So I am here in Abyss Budget Hertz Thrifty rental, car rental. I paid $367 for 7 days. Oh, there's a big problem. Yeah, the company, the budget, and the Abyss, yeah, they are not allowing me to rent a car because of my driver's license. Yeah, they said they don't rent people with license, with professional license. Oh, no good. No good. I don't know, but I will try this one. There is Hertz and Thrifty here. I also tried this Hertz and Thrifty, but yeah, they are fully booked. There's no vacant vehicle. And we are now here at the bay. Yeah, and yeah, this is the vehicle that I got. Yeah, I'm very thankful that they let me rent this car. I thought I won't be able to rent a car. Yeah, and it is nice to drive, but this one is very small, and I will have it for the next 7 days, 1 week, and I'm going to sleep here actually. I don't know if it's possible. And this different way to start. The start is just the key. I'll turn it off now. That's it. Yeah, okay, let's go outside. I will show you how it looks. This is a Kia Picanto. So this is how it is inside. Yeah, it has Apple CarPlay and Android CarPlay something. There is also cruise control, so it's nice. It's very smooth to drive, but feels very low. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are now here at the shopping center. Yeah, in the sports field. But this is actually a shopping center. Yeah, very nice place, right? Kia Picanto, very small. Yeah, I'm just here because I'm going to have a breakfast. This morning when I was in the bed, I was planning of what I'm going to do today. Going to the gym. Yeah, running. Then I realized that I don't have shoes. Yeah, all my shoes, they are in my van. I am actually thinking of going to the repairer and get my shoes.